Almost every website is made up of more than one page: homepage, about page, contact page, and more. Today, we're continuing our WordPress series by learning how to add pages and customize a contact page using Elementor. Let's get started. Right now, we're in the Elementor editor. Click Exit to WordPress. Click the WordPress logo and leave the editor. Now, click the Elementor logo up there. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Pages section in the left side menu. As you can see, this is where you can access all the pages on your website. Let's edit the contact page first. Find your contact page in the list. If you hover over any page, you'll see a few options. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Visual Builder. You can edit any element here, just like I showed you in the Elementor video. Let's update the company information section. We can remove unnecessary details like a registration number by clicking the X. We can also change and update elements such as the text under the heading. Click on the text block under the main contact heading. Let's replace the placeholder text with a friendly message like, "We love your feedback." To style it, go to the Style tab. And open Typography Settings. We're going to change the font to Poppins and set the size to 41 for a bold, clean look. Now let's scroll down to the Get in Touch area. If there are any elements you don't need, like extra inquiry boxes, just click to select them and delete them. Now, a question might come to mind. What happens if someone clicks the Submit button here? Well, that message will be emailed directly to you. For this, WordPress uses a Forms plugin, and in this case, that plugin is SureForms. To make sure every message sent through your website reaches your inbox, let's configure the SureForms settings. Note down the form ID number, 1517, as you can see here. We'll need it in a moment. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. From your dashboard, locate and click the SureForms tab. Then click Forms in the left-hand sidebar. When you open it for the first time, it may ask you a few survey questions, along with your email address. I've already completed that step, so it's not showing for me. You'll then be directed to a list of all active contact forms. Here, you can see a contact form numbered 1517. Click on your contact form to open the Visual Builder. In the top right corner of the editor, click Form Settings. From the Settings menu, select Email Notification. You'll see the Email Notification section. Click the Edit icon, the pencil icon to modify it. Now here, you can change the email address to whatever you'd like. By default, it's set to the admin email, the email you used when creating WordPress. In the Send Email to field, remove the default tag and enter your professional business email address, such as contact@softwarehelp.net. Scroll down to the Open from Email section and update that as well, so your notifications are properly recognized by your mail server. Once these details are updated, go back to the Visual Builder. Click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Then confirm that your email was updated correctly by opening the settings again. You can now close the settings window and return to your main forms list. So that's how we can make changes and update pages. But what if you want to add a brand new page? For that, while you're in the Pages section, scroll to the top and click Add Page. This will take you to the Page Template Design Library. Close it for now. Then click Edit with Elementor to open the Visual Editor. We'll create a simple blog post style page for now. Let's change the title first. Go to Page Settings and change the default placeholder title to Blog Post. When the page goes live, the default title styling doesn't look very good. So down below, switch Hide Title to Yes. Now let's start building the page. Click the plus icon and choose the Flexbox layout option. Select the single column layout with the downward direction. This will add a new container. Now let's change the background to white in the Style section. Click the plus icon again to add some widgets. Drag a heading widget into the container. Then manually change the HTML tag from H2 to H1. Next, in the Widget panel, search for the Text Editor widget. Drag a Text Editor widget directly below the heading to serve as the body of the post. Now that we have a title and body text, We can edit and update it however we like. Click the submenu button next to Publish. This will give you options to save it as a draft, save it as a template, or view the page. Let's click View to see what it looks like live. If you're satisfied with it, go back and publish it. That's it for now. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to edit the header and footer of any page. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and bye.